Okay.
My sister is a Newton.
All right.
Yeah.
Newton.
Atom and Newton.
Atom. All right. It's like what do you call that?
Science.
Hindi, sino yung scientist?
Yeah.
The Einstein.
Yeah, Einstein. My mom and my dad like Einstein.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why Atom and Newton. All right.
Yeah.
We are here, guys. We still here in the Bangkok, Thailand.
Yeah, Bangkok, Thailand. It's
And
very traffic jam.
Yes. I would like to introduce my new friend here.
Yeah.
Named Atom. Yeah.
Atom, yeah.
Atom from here, from Thailand.
Lima Garage.
Yeah. Ito ang bago natin. He is our new supplier of BMW parts here in Thailand. Yeah. And his primary business is
Dash camera.
dash camera,
Yeah.
front and rear.
Yeah.
Meron tayong UV niyan sa Pilipinas. So I will show you soon. We will put it or install it on our BMW M240i.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And a lot more. Meron din tayo rito mga stuff na nakakaiba. Yan. BMW din. So papakita natin sa inyo. So ngayon we just here inside the BMW 3 Series, right?
My BMW, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 5 F10.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And naka full exhaust to. Kung maririnig nyo sa likod, medyo meron na siyang pop and bang. Naka tune to, full exhaust, tuned na I don't know what stage?
One straight one.
Stage 1,
Yeah.
tune. 4-cylinder lang to, but the power is almost 400 horsepower more or less.
Yeah.
4-cylinder yun, guys. Imagine that. Wow. It's a nice car. 274,491 kilometers itong 3 series niya. Diba? Still kicking. Talagang pag love mo ang car.
สวัสดีครับพี่ต้นครับพี่ต้นครับโอเคได้เลยเดี๋ยวผมเข้าไป
So yatid niya tayo sa ating isang supplier na from our hotel is siguro mga 4 to 5 kilometers away. Once again, Atom is here. Thank you, my brother, for dropping us by. Even he is very busy man. Last day, guys. Last day natin dito sa Bangkok. Then 4 o'clock in next day, 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 a.m. we're gonna go back to the Philippines. Yan, LB,